Help me help.
Hi, my name is Joey, and today I wanted to show you the best product that you can buy if you wanted to record videos or take photos with your phone. So many different companies around the world have been trying to make really nice selfie sticks, and also other companies who make tripods, for their phones. So pretty much, photographers, like maybe if you want to start as a photographer, I guess you could use your phone on a tripod and stuff. So that's pretty much the first step. So pretty much companies have been, I guess, trying to make more better and better and better ones. But I think today I have finally found the best one of the two combinations. So I recently found this product on Amazon. It is a selfie stick plus a tripod all in one piece. So this thing measures at 7 inches when it's at its lowest, as its shortest distance, and at its longest I think it's at 27 inches. So that's actually really nice if you want to get that perfect selfie. And also you could actually use the extended part, the pole, and then the base of the selfie stick where you hold it, and they're actually these 3 legs that actually separate, just like a tripod. So that is really helpful because you can actually extend the height too. And lastly, it does come with a little Bluetooth remote that is already on the base of the selfie stick, and yeah, it's really great. And also, you can actually remove it off of the selfie stick, like if you want to walk out with it. So pretty much, I will show you that in 1 second. So like I said before, this product is $22 on Amazon. I will leave a link in the description below if you wanted to buy this for yourself. And I would definitely recommend people to buy this if they like taking selfies pretty often, maybe if you're on a streak with Snapchat or something. This would also be, this would be the best way how to do it. So this is the selfie stick right here. So this is really small, right? So this is about 7 inches, and it pretty much all contains into one piece. So as you see these lines on the base, these are actually where the legs separate. So pretty much these separate. Okay, sorry. So these are actually magnetic too, which is really satisfying if you wanted to I guess put it back in. But pretty much, so if you wanted to use this, you would fold this out, and then pretty much if you want to use it as a tripod. For me, right now, I'm using a smaller tripod, so I have this lower angle. So I'm probably gonna use this for lower angle videos, kind of like this. But my normal ones, I usually film over there. So pretty much, I have I pretty much have a computer right here. You can't see it, but my computer's right next to my phone, and I have to use this I actually bought another selfie stick to take selfies with it and stuff, and I also have this other thing I'm using right now. It's a little selfie tripod. So pretty much I used the base of that. I used the base and I screw it into my other tripod. So pretty much I have to screw things in and out, and it's not really that great. And also it wobbles a lot because they're both two different companies, and they're both two completely different looking things. So that was really inconvenient for me since I'm starting to make YouTube videos pretty often, and I actually will post a video tomorrow, hopefully, unless my product that comes in the mail tomorrow. Also definitely stay tuned for that. So anyways, with the selfie stick, so the phone size does not even matter at all. This is gonna stretch pretty big. This is about an inch more than it actually should go. So this can definitely hold any smartphone that's made pretty much today. Cause okay, so I'm pretty sure there's a really huge phone that's called the Nexus 6P or something like that, and it probably goes about to up to here to hold it. But this can go even more than that. So this can definitely hold almost any smartphone for sure. And also this piece actually turns 360 degrees. If you wanted to get a vertical shot with your phone instead of having to always do it this, because I'm pretty sure most selfie sticks only have it like this. So if you actually want to do it vertical, you have a choice. And also, if you're wondering why it looks really uneven, that actually did bother me at first, but then I realized that that's why one of these extend, when you put your phone in, so that actually makes it evened out. So that's a great part, so that this thing turns 360 degrees. And also right here you have an adjustable notch, so you can what is it called? So you can adjust the tightness of it of it going back and forth. So pretty much like if you want it loose, it's just gonna bobble around. But if it's gonna tight, it'll actually stay stiff. Right now I'm in the middle because I still want it to be easy for me to fold it back up, really fast. So that's pretty much, a very convenient part about the top, is spinning back and forth. So like I said, this goes up to about 27 inches in length when you extend it. So this is what it looks like. So this is it at its full extension. So you're actually gonna get pretty good shots because plus you have your arm length as well. So you can really hold it far. I'm pretty sure it's off frame right now, but you can actually go really far. But for me, this is definitely gonna be good enough. For sure. Because I will actually use this for selfies too. Like maybe if I travel to places, for sure, or maybe vacations or whatever. I'll probably use this for. I'm definitely gonna use it, like this. I'm probably actually gonna use it vertical because like maybe if I had one person beside me, this would be good. But if it was a whole entire group of 4 people, I would definitely go horizontal. But yeah, this is really helpful about this top part and the adjustable parts, because you can literally make this however you want, pretty much you can put this in any type of way you want, which is really helpful. And like I was saying before, there is a remote that you can use to control the clicks for your camera. So pretty much you can take pictures with this. So pretty much all you do is just press this button, and this connects to your phone wirelessly through Bluetooth. So all you do is just go into your settings and just press away at that connect button. And also you can actually take this out, like if you want to walk away with it, and you pretty much do that, and then you just click to this button, and it actually so this selfie stick actually comes with a little ring. It comes with a little ring you can place in the back of your phone, and then it's kind of like one of those pop sockets, but it's a lot more thinner. It's really cool. I'm actually using it right now. Thank you for that extra part that comes with. But I think I'm pretty sure it has a picture on the Amazon page of what it actually looks like. It's like a little small ring, and yeah. And also, if you want to charge this, it doesn't actually take batteries. You can just charge it through a micro USB cable. So yeah, and pretty much that comes with it. It comes with the selfie stick, so you don't have to search for one if you don't have one. And it pretty much slides right back in. I'm pretty sure it uses a magnet, or maybe no, it just clicks a certain way. But yeah, it pretty much stays right here so you don't lose it. And now I'm going to show you the part where you can use the tripod. So the bottom, has a triangle for pretty much the legs. So you can split out the legs, and you push this part up because this is actually how it folds. It kind of fits right into there. So pretty much you just push this up so you can pretty much, stand it up. So I'll put it over here so I think you can see. I think you can see it over here. Yeah, so pretty much, so this is how I'm going to be making videos. I'm pretty much just going to be holding it like this. And also, this top actually spins 180 degrees, and then it clicks in its proper spot. So pretty much if you're recording videos, I'll hold it over here so you can see it. So pretty much if I were to record videos maybe on a fidget spinner, I did this would have been so much helpful, back then. But it's all good. You can't change what already happened in the past. So this is definitely a great upgrade for making YouTube videos and just taking selfies with friends and family. But I think for the tripod, this would definitely be best for sitting it down and taking photos with it like this, because this is how I'm gonna use it. I'm pretty much just gonna because the thing is, what I did with my other phone, like I already mentioned, with my other tripod, I had to get this bottom part from another small thing, and I had to screw it on every single time, and it was really frustrating. And also it also wobbled a lot because it was really unstable, and because I had to screw it in. But since this is all one piece, it's not even gonna wobble. It's not even gonna wobble at all, and which is really helpful because this is definitely gonna make it so much easier to make YouTube videos. And like I said, if you were to put this down, if you were showing, something you're doing, maybe you're just, maybe you're showing how fast you can type on a keyboard or something. So pretty much you'd have right here, and this would be facing towards down. And plus, you don't actually want this leg here. So like I said, you could turn this 180 degrees like this. So pretty much that leg is not going to be showing in the actual video. So this is so helpful. And like I said, if you close it, it is magnetic, which is so satisfying to close it. And it all, like I said, it folds into one small little tripod. It pretty much just folds into a small, just a small stick. That's all I can say. It's just really helpful, and I definitely think, people should get this if they take pictures often, or they just want to make YouTube videos with their cell phone, which is pretty much what I do. And this is definitely going to be the easiest way how to do it. So the last part I want to show you is probably a mistake that some people are going to make, and I can definitely understand why someone will make this mistake. So as you're first getting it, if you pull it out and then you twist it and you forget where it was, if you try to close it, you're probably not gonna see that it actually closes all the way. So you have to put it up a little bit and then put it 180 degrees. So this part clamps in the back because this remote has a little bulge, so that's why it doesn't actually close. So if you put it like this, then it'll close all the way. And this is pretty much how small it gets, and this is a really small product, but it actually does a lot of things that are really helpful. So if you enjoyed my opinion on the best selfie stick / tripod, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you all in my next video.